Hello and welcome. So, what is really happening in Sudan?
Be injured. Smoke could be seen throughout the capital. The impact of the fighting visible all the way into space. Satellite images show 2 cargo planes burning on the tarmac of the international airport. The conflict is now spreading to other parts of the country.
It seems like Sudan was in a path to reach an agreement to have a civilian-led government. If you don't know what's going on in Sudan, is that there are 2 military that are basically running the country right now. We have the Sudan Armed Forces, that is like a governmental, supposed to be army, and then we have this Rapid Support Forces. These are like another, I guess, force that they have also in Sudan that is unofficial, I will say that. But these 2 military groups are basically leading the country right now, and they were supposed to sign a deal to give their power away to the civilians, so that they can have like a normal president, prime minister, and everybody, like what do you call it, parliament and stuff like that. Because at this moment there is no such thing. But it seems like there's a lot of power struggle, because these guys really like power. They couldn't reach an agreement, and there were tensions rising when the population of Sudan was expecting to have a normal transitional, like power transitional to the civilians. So it seems like now Sudan is at war with itself. So these 2 generals are now fighting each other. Whoever wins, I guess, will have the power and will run Sudan. But this is not just a small battle of like, oh, whoever wins, because there are lots of casualties going on right now in Khartoum. That's the capital city of Sudan. I think it's estimated that 61 people are dead and 670 are wounded. Some of them include even doctors and people who are supposed to be giving aid and stuff like that. So this is like, not only is it useless and is it just kind of brainless for these generals to be doing this, it also heading the country that is already crippled by the economic situations of the world, as we know that most countries are going through tough times right now. So this is not going to make things better for the people of Sudan, just because there's 2 generals want to basically have somebody of their own, I think, running the country, so they can still have some influence. That's what I think so far. But it seems like it's an armed for, like they're just fighting each other. It's like 2 gangs just kind of going head to head, and who knows when it's gonna stop? How are we gonna even reach the peace deal? So what is really going on in Sudan? Why do these people really want power? Why is it so important to have power and to still continue? Why is it that they still want to continue being in power? Why don't they want to just let go and let the people of Sudan decide for themselves who they want them to be ruled? They should just hold elections. But it doesn't seem like these generals are ready to give out that power yet. So who knows? Will the African Union ever do anything? I see the African Union Top Council called Sunday for an immediate ceasefire without conditions. So it also asked the AU Commission Chairman Musa Faki Mahamat to immediately travel to Sudan to engage the parties towards a ceasefire. Arab states with states in Sudan, Qatar, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates made a similar appeal. So it seems like everybody is trying to have a ceasefire, but like I feel like a ceasefire, a request or plea has to have a condition, right? Like here they're saying the African Union chairman has asked for ceasefire without conditions. So who knows if that's gonna happen? Like there should be conditions when it comes to ceasefire, and I'm just gonna be following what the African Union is gonna be doing about this whole thing, because the African Union never really has the power to make any change. As for me, I think like the African Union, when in things like this, they always like wait for other people to say something, and then they come in at the last thing to save the day. I don't know, but who knows what's gonna happen, because the people of Sudan have been taken to the streets, they've been protesting, so many activists have been saying stuff since 2021, and we were finally hopeful that Sudan was finally going to sit down and decide to hand power to the civilians. It doesn't seem like it's going to happen anytime soon, so we'll be waiting.